Okay, in this video I'm going to be installing power locks on this Honda Accord DX. This is the base model. It doesn't come with power lock from the factory. It doesn't come with cruise control. It's pretty much the base model, and I'm going to install this power lock system. It's an universal one. This is the wire harness, and these are the remote, the key fob, and here are the door actuators. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a power drill, a crimper, wire cutter, wire stripper. I don't know how you call this, but this is good to use when you taking the plastic, the door plastic apart. And let's see how it comes up. Okay, we're gonna start taking this little piece apart. We're gonna take these two screws right here, and there's another one right here. Right in there. So we have 1, 2, and 3. We have this right here. We already got this one out. Okay. Okay, this is what I did right over here. I peeled this thing right here with a knife, with a utility knife, and I tied it in there with a piece of wood. Okay, and I mounted it right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test it now. Okay, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna plug the red one to the positive. I'm gonna look for a positive right here, to a constant positive over here, and the black one is gonna be the ground, which I'm gonna attach it to the chassis. Okay, for now I use this ground right here, and I use this one for positive, this one right here, and I'm going to proceed to test it. Okay, for now I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna unlock it. It's on lock. Now it's gonna be lock. Unlock. Lock. All right. So it is working. So now it's time to hide all this mess right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna be sending these wires to the older doors, and I'm gonna hit you back with that. Okay, I routed the wires through here and came out over here, through here, and through here. Okay. Okay, I'm done putting this piece right there to cover the wire, this wire cover, and it's time to put this door panel back. Okay. Okay, I just finished this installation. This is well, I just installed a power lock, a universal one, since this car is a Honda Accord DX, the base model. It doesn't come with the power lock. And look at this. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Okay, what happened with this one, we lost the key, so now this key only starts the car and it won't open the car, so we have to install this right here.